In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start an LLC in California in 2025 step by step. If you'd like to follow along, click the link in the description or the pinned comment and it'll guide you to the relevant page. We're using Taylor Brands for this tutorial, a great resource where you can form your LLC from $0, only having to cover state fees. Let's dive right into the process and I'll show you how you can get your in for free, so be sure to follow along. First off, choose the state for your LLC, which in our case is California. Click Get Started and we'll begin the journey. Before we proceed, a quick disclaimer. I'm not an attorney, but I'm here to share my personal experience in setting up LLCs, alongside some cost-saving tips. If you've already decided on a name for your business, input it now, without the LLC suffix. If you're uncertain, don't stress. You can change it later. Click Try this name. If it's available, proceed to the next step. You'll encounter a few questions which are largely optional, but I recommend going through them. Assess where you are in the business process. Perhaps you're in the early stages or planning to launch soon. Specify your industry and services. Select one or type your own. Next, consider whether you'll hire staff in the coming year or set an annual income target. Options range from less than $80,000 to more ambitious figures. Determine your primary business location using an example like Beverly Hills, 90210, and how you intend to serve your customers, perhaps solely online. Once you have your LLC established, tick off any additional actions you've completed. If you've done none, select None of the Above and proceed. Taylor Brands includes a free 12-week coaching program. Opt in if it suits your needs. Otherwise, click No Thanks. The next phase deals with your contact information. Filling in your name, number, email, and password is crucial for receiving updates on your LLC status. Use a valid email for this purpose. You'll encounter options for optional upgrades like obtaining an EIN. I'll show you how to get this for free, but if you prefer Taylor Brands, take care of it. It'll cost $99 post-application review. Alternatively, visit the IRS website linked in the description to get an EIN in minutes, directly and free. Other optional services include maintaining LLC compliance for $199 annually, which covers regulatory obligations and streamlines your business operations. If you prefer DIY compliance, that's an option too. Taylor Brands' Toolkit, part of their Elite plan, offers domain registration, website builder, logos, and more. Choose this if you want an all-in-one package. Otherwise, opt out and save cost. Similarly, expedite your filing for $49 or wait for free processing in about 2 weeks. For a formation kit to organize your documents professionally, another option is available. Or keep it digital if you prefer. Finally, opt for free text notifications to stay informed about your LLC's status. To wrap up, assess which optional features, if any, align with your business needs. The major cost here remains the $75 California state fee, unavoidable as it's directly to the Secretary of State. After evaluating your choices, finalize the setup. When ready, click Continue to Payment, selecting either PayPal or card for a secure checkout with Taylor Brands. And there you have it. A complete walkthrough on starting an LLC in California in 2025. I hope this guide proves helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and best of luck with your new business venture.